This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, the best gaming smartphone is back, with new hardware improvements. ROG Phone 7, and this is the ultimate version of ROG 7. What the heck is this? We are going to find out that later, but first let's unbox our ROG Phone 7. Oh yeah, if you buy Ultimate version, you also get cooler with smartphone. You don't have to buy that separately. In the box we get USB-C to C charging cable, a super fast charger, SIM injector tool and a phone case, a cooler and a pouch for safety and carrying this cooler. Please note this cooler only made for ROG Phone 7, it does not work with other smartphones. We are going to try this cooler later, while gaming. Now let's talk about phone specs. Phone comes with 16GB RAM and half terabyte of storage. 165Hz, AMOLED HDR10+ display, with 720Hz, touch sampling rate, and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor. And this new cooler hatch. This hatch opens when cooler is attached. It's called Aero Active Portal. Now let's do some gaming, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. First, the unboxing mission.
You should know where to find it. It might be a little dangerous, so be careful and good luck.
Let's see, what's this weird cardboard looking thing does. Wow, they are not actual buttons, but they are working, it's so cool. ROG always do something that enhance our unboxing experience. Genshin Impact. 60 FPS plus highest graphics settings. We are using the cooler now, so let's see if the temperature keeps raising.
You're trembling. I never asked for redemption. Never.
Call of Duty Mobile. This is going to be so much fun, because we are going to play this game at 120 FPS. 120 FPS is so much fun, and so smooth gaming experience at the same time.
EMP systems ready. Chopper gunner is ready to deploy. Recon
Fortnite Mobile, low graphics settings and 90 FPS. Now let's use cooler triggers. Yeah, we have air triggers, but real triggers feels way better than that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.